Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your home screen layout being locked on Samsung Galaxy A27. So as you can see, my home screen layout is locked, which means I cannot move the app. I cannot remove it from the home screen, and I cannot add more apps to the home screen. And for that, you'll need to go to the settings, then find home screen. Now scroll down and disable lock home screen layout. From now on, when I press and hold on an app, I can start moving it to place it somewhere else. I can press and hold to remove it from the home screen, or to do something else with it. I can also press and hold on an app in order to add it to the home screen. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.